coming back from Santa Cruz after having put him in check. This guy has a bull sticker on his rear glass, rear window, and a Ram, Dodge Ram, Santa Cruz place. One way they try to control my behavior is there's bulls, right? This is the second bull. Was it today or yesterday? I saw the other. I think it was early this morning. I was in Santa Cruz. How often do you see bull stickers? So here's some kind of a bull, mixed bull sticker with weird symbols on it. This is back from Santa Cruz. What I'm gonna do is add a filter to gift it to Rose Dapper Shine. Timing's late. Let me slow down. It looks slower. Whoa. Really good though.